Konichiwa, kimono wearers and friends. Oh yeah, the gang is back in Nozawa. The trip begins in the Qantas Lounge in Melbourne. Gotta have some bacon and eggs. We'll leave that salad stuff to the vegans and tree huggers. God bless them. What are they serving up in cattle class? How about some braised Angus beef and veggies, or some noodles and veggies? That is one big mess of a noodle. Closer to our destination is bulgogi beef and rice, or spinach and ricotta ravioli. Kia and Ichiban beer, perfect and oishi.
Oh, thanks.
And before you know it, it's hello Narita-san. First time using the luggage transfer service. It's better than sliced bread. Heading out of Tokyo with some train station food.
Not bad so far. Keep going, Pete, you're doing well. You didn't follow the instructions though, did you?
Yeah.
You did?
No, you didn't.
Did you get it? You did get it.
Good at training, doing 270 k's an hour.
In previous years I've done vids on catching the Shinkansen. Check them out or shoot me a question in the comments. The Nozawa Onsen liner bus from Iyama Station.
今一度ご確認いただき、取り物、お忘れ物のないようお願いいたします。次は N4 前坂です。車内事故防止のためバスが停車するまで席を立て。
First day on the mountain today. We are all pretty excited. Looking forward to some maybe bacon and eggs, some high energy food to get us through the day. Ham and cheese croissant. Could have been worse. Could have been a croissant and jam, in which case we'd have to take up curling. Alright, first day on the mountain, ready to smash some green runs.
Hotdog and Ramen are back for another year. Jaffa from last year has a new jacket. He's now Inga from Sweden. And Budgie from 2 years ago makes a welcome return.
Heading up Nagasaki gondola for first rides of the day. First rides of the holiday down Uenotaira.
Uenotaira is a simple green run, probably what we need after a year away.
Hikage's Ramen. Favourite skier Cami Ras, so she's thinking about her. Squash the cherry, strawberry. Yeah. Keep going, babe.
Squeeze that strawberry gently. Yeah, nice.
Loading contact slot. Thank you for choosing Nozawa
Perfect bloody day. After warming up on Uenotaira, it's on to paradise. Inga from Sweden loves nothing more than going full gas on a snowboard as well as on the toilet. At the end of paradise you have a few choices. One of them is taking Forest 5 k's down to the Hikage base. Alright, heading down Forest. Looks like Hotdog is all warmed up, has found his riding legs. Or maybe not. I might be getting tired. Or you're just rubbish at snowboarding.
Are we meeting at that chair? The gondola. What? Okay. Nice breadcrumbs.
Stop recording. Stop recording. Stop recording.
Everyone and everything seems to ignore Inga from Sweden.
Stop. Stop fucking recording. Stop recording. Stop it. Stop recording. Stop recording.
Stupid fucking thing.
Where you going, Nick? Where you going? Stop recording! It doesn't like me, Nick. Maybe, is there a button?
There is as well.
Oh, you should have told me that.
It's hard to get with your gloves. Stop recording! Now, if you ever see Budgie in the bathroom, he may accidentally be recording his movements, and possibly yours, so you have been warned. Later in the trip, he proves again his inability to work his cameras as intended. We should all be thankful we were avoided the acoustics of him taking a dump. And the penny finally drops. Alright, early morning report. Squashed Jerry 3 times.
Nil casualties. Little Jerry. I stacked first.
Edge.
Saigo.
Bagel. We have a winner.
And now it's the start of Schneider and on to Challenge and Utopia B, a mix of red and black sections.
Oh, bloody hell. Bit of thigh burn. Bit of thigh burn.
Yeah. Bloody cutthroat.
Man, that's really shit, isn't it? So where to from here?
What?
Where to from here?
Here we go down that track.
Oh, there's a track over there, is there? Alright.
Alright, we've just come down Challenge. It was slushy and mogly as fuck. We got spring conditions, so we're calling it quits today. It's been good. We are homeward bound. That's the day done. Cat track from Hikage to Nagasaki. Slushy as.
Thanks for watching, peeps and peepettes. Remember to like and subscribe. And until next time, stay safe. Wear a helmet.